everyone, welcome back to Mohammed Makes. Today is day 2 of the 5-day origami challenge. Today we have an airplane. This is how it looks like in my origami book. This is how it works. Now let's start with our body warm-up. I thought it might be fun to have some airplane themed moves today. So our first one is lying down on your front, arms wide, legs up. Balance. Turning and turning, turning all the way. Ooh. Turning. Next we have another airplane. So you take one leg back, so standing on one leg, and then arms back a little at a slant, and bend your knee if you need to. Now let's swap sides. Airplane pose. Now let's do our hand warm up. So push your hands together. Imagine your hands are a plane and keep them close to your belly. You'll feel a little stretch here. And in 3, 2, 1, take off. 3, 2, 1, landing. 3, 2, 1, take off. Still keeping your palms pressed together. 3, 2, 1, landing. 3, 2, 1, take off. 3, 2, 1, landing. One more. 3, 2, 1, take off. And 3, 2, 1, landing. Now it's time for the fun bit of the warm-up. Now we get to be airplanes. So keep your hands together and whiz around. Now for the airplane. With the white side of your paper facing upwards, fold it in half from bottom to top and unfold it. For step number 2, turn it a little like this, just to make it a bit easier, and then fold down a triangle along with one edge going along the middle line that you just made. Repeat on the other side. This is how it looks like now. Step 3. Repeat the last step with the corner right here along the middle line, so the edges are along the middle line, and repeat on the other side. This is the basic shape for the airplane. For step number 4, fold the top point downwards a little bit. This is how it looks like now to make the snub nose. For step number 5, turn over the airplane and take the top half of the airplane down towards the bottom half and fold it. For step number 6, fold down one wing like this. Turn over and repeat on the second wing. And then open out the airplane like this. This is my finished airplane. congratulations from me, Riley and the aeroplane for completing day 2 of the 5-day origami challenge. Hold on, Riley. Come join me for day 3 of the origami challenge. See you next time.